Today I will tell you about the perfume formulation. As you can see, there is a perfume in front of me whose name is Oud Al Arab. So in the perfume, actually there are three types of notes: the top note, middle note and base note. The top note and base note are some essential oils or something synthetic ingredient which is present in the perfume formulation. But maximum in the perfume formulation, the base is the solvent. For the solvent in the perfume, we are using the ethanol. Let me show you the ingredient list of this one. In the perfume, there is the solvent is used and also the perfume fixative. As you can see in the ingredient list, alcohol denat, which is the solvent. Then they are using aqua, which is the water for dilution. Then the main perfume, which is the perfume oil blend, like the top note, middle note and base note. Then there are some other ingredients which are perfume fixative, antioxidant, preservatives and different perfume fragrance ingredient. Okay, so like this we can make a very high quality perfume, but we need to keep it for 4 to 6 weeks so that the perfume can settle down, and after it we need to filter it so that no particles or anything from the synthetic ingredient or anything can be present in the perfume. So I am developing the perfume formulation online platform. So if you need any perfume formulation, you can contact with me. I'll give you very high quality perfume formulation. Thank you.